Early Monday, Kilauea began erupting in an area that last saw activity half a century ago. The eruption is located about 1 mile south of the Kilauea caldera, within Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. This area last erupted in December 1974, making this event particularly significant. Primary hazards from the eruption include volcanic gas, which creates volcanic smog or VOG. This poses significant health risks and can cause environmental damage. The USGS Observatory is closely monitoring the eruption, logging earthquakes, and providing daily updates. Approximately 250 earthquakes were recorded beneath the Kilauea summit before the eruption. In summary, Kilauea's recent eruption is a significant event with various hazards.